How to set up Google Authenticator in 2 minutes. Setting up Google Authenticator is easy. Just follow these process. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Now go to the search bar on the top and type in Google Authenticator. Now make sure that Google Authenticator is installed on your device. After this, go back to your home page. On your device, navigate to the Google Authenticator app and open it on your device. If you are opening Authenticator for the first time, then click on Get Started. Now you will need to sign in to your account. Sign in using your Google account or Apple ID. To set up Google Authenticator, click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now you can either select Enter a setup key or scan a QR code. Now go to the app where you would like to set up the Authenticator. Just to show you guys, I have selected Instagram. Go to Settings and Activity of Instagram and type in Google Authenticator. Now it will automatically direct you to this page. Select Authentication app and click on Continue. Now you can copy the key or view your QR code. Tap on the next option. Now you will need to enter your code. Go to the Google Authenticator app. On the Authenticator app, select Enter a setup key. In this interface, enter your account name. Then paste the key that you just copied. Now select Add. Now a code will be generated for IG. Now copy this code and paste it on your Instagram. Tap once to copy the code, and once it is copied, go to Instagram. Enter your 6-digit code here. Then select Next. And just like that, Authenticator has been set up. That's all for today. Thank you.